Wow.
I see him. What are you doing? Oh, you're doing the video.
Whoa.
They're getting out of control now.
Can we eat now?
Don't get too close.
Alright, you ready?
Yep. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nicholas. Happy birthday to you. Hey, Nicholas. Hey, hold it. Oh. What do you want me to do? Okay. Nicholas is now going to blow out the candles. Here we go. Put your head on down there, son. Get on down. Hey. Try not to dribble. Just do a good swallow. Get your good swallow in first, son.
Try it again.
And then try it again. Here we go. Here we go. Woo!
Alright.
They're not going out.
They're not supposed to go out.
Oh, they're not? Oh! Alright, that's enough juice on there, Nick. That's enough juice on there.
How you get them out?
No, they eventually go out. I got it. Alright. 2 more. Oh no!
Hurry up! Nick.
You know you bought those little kind that's not supposed to go out.
I thought they would eventually go out.
Okay, they're out now.
Better got it.
Nick, no more juice. No more air. They don't want air. That's how they keep going.
No, that's a bad idea.
Glass.
Get the glass thing in there, Mama.
No, this is fun. I like this.
The glass thing in here?
Yeah.
They're going out. No, Grandma, we got it.
Let's see, if you keep doing it, you keep bringing more air on it. So you got 2 that's still good. Watch that. You just look ahead and protect it.
No, it's good. It's all good.
Yeah, just put it there.
I don't want to mash it.
Grandma, you're burning it.
No, take the oxygen out. It takes the oxygen out. They'll go out now.
This is crazy.
That's crazy. Put it back.
No, you're burning it.
You're not burning glass. How do you think glass got here?
What's the point? I like blowing them out.
I want to eat the cake.
I'm not.